believe they rate them at 3,000, but I've got 2 6Ks. I'm gonna put one per sub. So,
Oh wow, yeah.
yeah, it don't do hair tricks. It don't.
That's all good. Right.
But it's music.
Could you tell me what else in here real quick and your name?
Yeah, my name is Ryan Collins. I've got 2 Crossfire Xt4 18s, and I've got an XS 6K. I've got an 80 amp hour proto lithium bank, and I'm running on my old JS alternator that I've had for about 6 years. So it's the old style. It's not a hairpin, so the voltage is a little low, but it'll get it done.
Yeah, it's a really big box.
Yeah, 13 and a half cubes.
Who built it?
I did.
You did, nice.
Yeah. I threw it in there last night.
Yeah.
So I can do my run tomorrow and get my points. So it's tall enough to still in the wall class. So,
Okay.
But I'm going to build a wall in here. I'll have it built by the end of the winter.
Okay. Sound like a fun project.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Awesome. Can I see the back?
Yeah.
I'm curious to see how the port is. Can I come in? It's about empty. All right. So you went bottom port.
Bottom port.
Okay. Slot port. Nice. What are the subs rated at?
I believe they rate them at 3,000, but I've got 2 6Ks. I'm gonna put one per sub.
Oh wow, yeah, got it.
I'm gonna have a bunch of. I'm hopefully got enough rides to not have to worry about it.
Yeah.
I'd rather start out with more power and turn it down and not have enough and have to get 5 more amps.
Correct, that's true. Yep.
Yeah.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, not a problem.
What's up, bro? All right. growing now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it'll play 20.
Yeah. It's a really big box.
Yeah. 13 and a half cubes.
Who built it?
I did.
You did. Nice.
Yeah. I threw it in there last night.
Yeah.
So I could do my run tomorrow and get my points. So it's tall enough to still in the wall class. So,
Okay.
but I'm going to build a wall in here. I'll have it built by the end of the winter.
Okay. Sound like a fun project.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, XplicitAudio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.